In that video, you are going to discover what is inside the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. With its bezel-less infinity display, increased performance capabilities, enhanced cameras and biometric security, the Galaxy S8 is a device that beautifully merges form and function, one that is the result of the latest breakthrough in engineering. Take a closer look at the piece and parts that power the innovation of Samsung's latest Galaxy smartphone in the teardown below. Offering an incredibly immersive visual experience, the curved, mobile HDR Premium Certified OLED display of the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus has been recognized as the best smartphone screen on the market. With an 18:9 ratio screen that fills 80% of the entire front of the device, the display makes watching video content a truly cinematic event and it sees multitasking to make working on the go more efficient than ever. The smartphone is equipped with Gorilla Glass 5, which is up to 1.8 times stronger than Gorilla Glass 4 on both the front and back for enhanced durability. The display driver EC DDI supports various image compression algorithms of major AP to reduce power consumption, all the while maintaining image quality. The DDI was moved from the top of the device to the bottom to allow for even smaller bezels on the smartphone display. To add to the viewing experience, the device home key was installed under the display and utilized a pressure sensor to respond in the same way a physical button would throw haptic feedback. To maximize the screen space, the front camera was built into the phone's upper bezel. The 8-megapixel f1.7 smart autofocus camera is equipped with facial recognition technology so it can better recognize and track faces, even when the distance between the camera and the subjects in the photo is increased. The technology also adds convenience by allowing users to quickly unlock their smartphone by simply looking at the front of the device. Embedded on a singular module with a front camera, the iris sensor detector enables iris scanning, a method of biometric identification that uses mathematical pattern recognition of images of an individual's iris to enhance security. Sensors included on the front of the device include the SVC LED, proximimeter sensor, and light sensor, proximity sensor emitter, and iris LED. Black bezels and thin prints were applied on the front of the smartphone to hide the front sensors and other technical components, thus unifying the aesthetic of the device. Packing powerful performance and connectivity, the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus feature the industry-first 10-nanometer chip. The octa-core chip boosts the device's CPU functionality and GPU performance by 10 and 21% respectively, while reducing battery consumption by a full 20%. The Galaxy S8 boasts 64 GB and 4 GB RAM for even faster boot, copy and transfer times. The Galaxy S8 new PCB structure minimizes the gap between the AEP, the hotest component of the device, and the heat pipes to ensure faster heat transference. This ensures that the smartphone can handle even the test of the processing loads, such as those from graphics-intensive games, without overheating, like the Galaxy Note 7, for example. Incorporating an hybrid SIM tray, the Galaxy S8 can hold a microSD card for expanded storage up to 256 GB of memory. Alternatively, it can hold a second SIM card so smartphone owners can use their everyday phone number for call and text, while reserving the second slot for data from a local SIM card when they travel, or for an additional phone number. The dual SIM support will depend from the markets. The phone's 12-megapixel f1.7 autofocus rear camera utilizes a dual-pixel image sensor and multi-frame image processing technology to produce great photos in just about any lighting condition. It is also utilized by Bixby Vision, which makes it easier to search for images and information, shop online, and even translate text. The camera itself is built into the back of the device in a way that minimizes protrusions, creating a sleek aesthetic. The Galaxy S8 touch-type fingerprint scanner allows for strengthened security and enhances the usability of mobile services such as Samsung Pay and Samsung Pass. The heart rate sensor enables users to monitor their physical activity, which can be checked through the Samsung Health app. The Galaxy S8 incorporates a designated button for Bixby just below the side key to allow for instant access and intuitive usability without compromising the design of the device. With the new Bixby button, users can conveniently access Bixby and navigate through services and apps with simple voice, touch, and text commands. Samsung Pay has become the most widely accepted mobile payment service due to its unique combination of NFC and MST technologies, ensuring it works nearly anywhere that credit and debit cards are accepted. The Galaxy S8 can be charged from the electromagnetic field generated by the wireless charging coil and supports Wireless Power Consortium and AirFuel Alliance wireless charging standards in 2 frequency bands. The antennas located at the top and bottom of the device can handle a wide band of frequencies, so users can upload and download large amounts of data quickly. The Galaxy S8 is also the first smartphone to feature support for gigabit LTE, known as LTE Category 16, and Gigabyte Wi-Fi. This means that when wireless networks capable of supporting gigabit speeds reach consumers, the device will facilitate blazing fast downloads of up to 1 gigabit per second, regardless of file size. The Galaxy S8 is the first phone on the market with Bluetooth 5 wireless connectivity, which offers twice the data transfer speed of the previous version, increases the capacity of data broadcasts by 800%, and can cover 4 times more space. The Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus feature a 3000 mAh and a 3500 mAh battery, respectively, that were designated to sustain their longevity and stability over the long term and specifically over hundreds of charging cycles. Furthermore, a rubber barrier was embedded to buffer shocks, further protecting the battery. The Galaxy S8 ports, including its USB Type-C charging terminal, were made with anti-corrosive materials to ensure IP68 certification. The USB Type-C port also allows Samsung DeX to connect to DeXStation, a service that lets users use their smartphone like a desktop by providing a seamless, secure mobile to PC transition. Located on the bottom of the device, the 3.5mm ear jack is appropriately situated for the high-performance, AKG-tunned earphones that are included with the Galaxy S8 and is also compatible with other earphones. The high-power 1.2-watt speaker with a smart amplifier delivers high-performance sound with ultra-high quality audio playback, 32-bit, and DSD support. That's all for that in-depth discovery of the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Do you think the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus will be the most sold Galaxy S smartphones of Samsung? Tell us in comments. To discover more Android-related content, don't hesitate to subscribe to the S Sorel channel.